Shemai lads, welcome back to the Battlecast. Silver 6th year anniversary. Chapter 3. I'm still gathering up cat food because it's been marked down again back to the 750. However, I don't care. I'm doing a draw on the best of the best, even if I don't do the 11 draw. Even if I just have to do the basic 3 draws by just doing 150, I'm doing it, no matter what. I've been grinding. I already finished all gold treasures on chapter 1 and 2. I've been going for number 3. I think I did pretty well. I've already forgotten how many I've got. Thank God Treasure Fest is on. But if you look at my XP, I've got like almost 600k. But that's enough to fully evolve Radin, which is one of my newest Ubers, and evolve him. Ooh. Dragon Slayer Radin. Wait, what's his evolved? God Emperor Radin. Increased defense, movement speed, attack range, and stronger against red. So I think it's the same thing. An Ascent anti-cat dragon weapon. Radin forcefully set to overdrive 100% area knockback versus red. 100% area and knockback against red. That's actually going to be pretty good. Maybe. I don't know. Hopefully. I'm questioning it now. Oh yeah, there's a wrong one. This has been here, and I can get stuff like cat fruit and stuff. So I have now got a second epic cat fruit. And if I really wanted to, I could sell it for 500,000 XP. But I saved them. And I'm still going to try and evolve someone sooner or later. I don't know, I'm just kind of doing this as a little update. I'm also going to grind out more of these levels. But yeah. And again, Sims video coming out soon. And thing. I'm going to make maybe a different video. I'm thinking on Dragon City or something. Leave what you want me to do in the comments. Just a new game to play. But yeah, let's beat this hoe. I should not say that. Family friendly. Fuck, I've never been family friendly before. Why am I trying it now? Kill that bitch. Kill that bitch. Kill that bitch. Woo! Superior. That means I've got another gold. Italy, I'm coming for you. You're going to die by an army of cats. And a cat lion. A horrible mutated beast. This is slow as hell. Kill Italy. Victory. Normal no. I got only a normal pizza. I want premium, superior pizza. Fucking. What would be the inferior pizza? Just controversial topic. Inferior pizza. Fuck off. Pineapple on pizza. Just no. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing controversial. Words. Fancy words. Yes, I know English language. Okay, but I do know that an army of lions, lion cats, and mecha giraffe cats can beat the hell out of China. Now give me superior. Are you fucking... Do you think this is fucking funny, China? I want a superior pizza. No, give me superior. Did I say China before instead of Italy? I don't remember. That's how bad my memory is. But I don't care. I'm giving up. I'm going to Spain. Feels like Australia. Find a crocodile. No, I'm just going to stop with stereotypes. Because apparently, I'm gonna be cancelled. Kill that bitch. Kill that bitch. I need to fucking stop this. I need to fucking stop with this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now again. Religion into this. What the fuck? Okay, I'm just gonna get out of here then. Because apparently I don't know when to stop. Jesus. And yet, Event All Stars. That's insane. Yet no, can we not? Is that a yes? Let me look at my missions. Okay, cat food, clear. Time enough of cats, which is moon stage for future. 50 cat food, ooh. And complete all 4 missions. 3 cat ticket, 5 XP stages, 10 stories of legend, great. So 1 week, no, a couple times. Well, I can't do any 6 years of cats because the Okay, I might actually Google what the 6 years of cat stages are, just so I can complete that one. Because apparently, I suck, and I don't know what to do. Okay, you can just take this as kind of like an update for the Battle Cats. While off camera, I'm going to be grinding like hell to get even more gold medals. Trying to get a lot more cat food to do the draws. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.